All right, so the last video we left off, we had powered on the system and we were waiting for our waiting for the green system light. We got the green system light and we're ready for takeoff. So the next step is to take off and perform that heading alignment maneuver. So that's what this video is going to show us. So we're just taking off, climbing up to a safe altitude. We're going to rotate the heading in a safe direction. So we've already identified a safe direction to perform this maneuver. So we're not going to be flying over any objects. So when I get up to altitude, I'm just going to push the right stick straight forward. And then again, we're going to hold that for about 6 seconds, being sure that we get over 12 meters per second on our speed. And then you just release the stick and it stops abruptly. Rotate the heading 10 degrees, pull the stick straight back. For about 6 seconds, exceeding 12 meters per second, and then you release that stick, and then it stops. So at that point, the heading alignment maneuver is complete. So now we can, start the mission. We send the mission up to the aircraft, and then it'll fly the gridded mission. And then before we land, we're going to do the same thing again. So once that mission's complete, take manual control of it. We fly the heading alignment maneuver, and then we can land the aircraft.